Hello and welcome to another unboxing video of boxes. Let's start with scissors. Jasně. Just open it very roughly. Tak to rozhodne. You can see some papers. And a very big bag with lots of other bags inside. So basically, yes, and paper. Okay. It looks like just plastic bags with lots of shit. Yeah. Okay. Let's continue. Yes, some boxes are very hard to open, especially when they are sealed with a tape. And when you have, very unsharp knife. Here are some cartoons, not like cartoons in TV, but cartoons. Let's get away with this shit. And what is this? This is Course of Radio Technique. Cartoons. More cartoons. And more cartoons. More cartoons. Oh yeah. What is this? This is Electrotechnique measuring instruments. Interesting. More cartoons. And another box. Sealed with tape. Oh my god. It's very heavy. Okay. Now open it with a knife. And here are some records. This is David Oistrakh for Concerti Grossi a Caravelle Supraphon Stereo. Dětský koutek Claude Debussyho. Hudební géniové dětem. Very interesting. Simon Estes in Opernszen von Richard Wagner. Staatskapelle Berlin. Heinz Frick. Très intéressant. Edvard Grieg, lirické skladby. Walter Giesenking on piano. Wilhelm für Wagner. This will be very interesting and fun to hear. Berlioz Symphonie Fantastique. Hannes Brahms. Hungarian Dance. This is Supraphon. What is it? This is Symphonie Nummer 5. C-moll. Destiny. Or you may call it Osudova. My battery accidentally ran out, so I had to get another battery so we can continue with unboxing another box. So here is, oh my god, the battery is low again. Alright, so we might want to speed up. This is a soundtrack, You Light Up My Life. And Funny Ventura. What is it? It's his orchestra. Music for making laugh, number 2. Rudolf Remmler, scene from operettas. Trådmelodien from Amiga. What is this? Oh, I'm sorry, I can't read this. Oh, this is some kind of a jam session in Rome, in Living Stereo by RCA Italiana. This is Dear Heart. Dear Heart in stereo. Little beep for me and other love songs. Very beautiful. This is Busoni, Cyril Houvet on piano. This is Christoph Kravtsik. What is this? Some kind of Polish. Edwin Starr. What is this? This is Whatever Makes Our Love Grow. Oh yeah, peace and love. Musik zur Entspannung. Yeah, music to relax. Very interesting. Keychain. Oh, this looks like bullshit. 70s bullshit. What is this? Sir Adrian Baud introduces the instrument of the orchestra. Oh, you don't say. Bedřich Smetana, My Vlast, My Country, by Czech Philharmonic, by Václav Neumann. Oh, this is the best version I've ever heard. Anton Dvořák, again, Václav Neumann, the best version. This is some Nefi Karajan. Alright, he's very good as well. Johannes Brahms, yeah, but this is direct metal mastering. Ludwig van Beethoven. Yes. Alright. Super sound single to Nighthawks. Oh, you are Nighthawks. Okay. Gordon Lightfoot. Oh my god, I can put it out. I need to do it this way. So, they've got this dread. Oh my god. Bonjour. This is Woody Herman, yes, on Polish label. And this is Greg Kinspiracji Blanc. Alright. And here we are. A last, and maybe first, Gordon Lightfoot. Gatefold. Cover. Very nice photos, yes. Here I am. I hope you like my unboxing video, and this is goodbye. And this is some kind of a bonus footage which I'll prepare for you if you are interested about the things that were in a big plastic box. These are electronics components for the projects I do, and it's all very quality stuff, usually by Vima or Nichicon. All electronics are by Nichicon. I couldn't get Nippon Chemicon, so I ordered Nichicon, so you know, just, and of course a bunch of you know, foil capacitors by Vima, because I use them a lot in audio equipment. Alright, so this is it, and if you are interested about these components, because I say always use quality components, not shit like, you know, the other brands. Bye.